My husband died.
What's up guys? Just got back home and I went to do my nails. So I haven't done my nails in since December 25 up to today. So it's like almost 2 months. I haven't done my nails and yeah, I feel really weird having them, but I have them. These are like super natural. I have the ballerina shape, and if you guys are wondering, the color, the name of my shade is Bare My Soul, and it's a shellac. But I just got something from the mail. I thought it was gonna come next week, but it came today. But my camera is dying, so it's at 7%. I'm gonna try to open this, and then I'll open my computer, and then hopefully by then my camera is charged and I'll get back to you guys later. All right,
later.
Okay, let's do this. I already opened it up and I thought it was gonna come next week. It says on my Amazon thingy that it's supposed to come on February 18, and I got this for my MacBook Pro mid 2012. Yeah, I only have 4 gigabytes of memory, so I wanted to upgrade it to change my whole editing game, because when I use my Final Cut Pro, it just slows down everything, so it's like super slow. And I was thinking of buying a new computer, but I figured it still works perfectly fine, and I guess I can just upgrade my memory for now, and until it dies down on me, I'm gonna keep using it. So I have this mini tools that I got from my stepdad, and I'm gonna open it. And this one's in 16 gig, so I'm hoping I got like the right one, because I'm gonna be so upset. So if you guys don't know how to change the memory of your computer, please just YouTube that out, Google it, because that's what I did, and just follow that. So there's a lot of videos in YouTube, so just go and check one and make sure you find the right memory for you. So I really did a long ass few days research on which one is compatible to my computer. So we're gonna open that up, and it says that I have to make sure that my laptop is completely off, and I'm gonna unscrew that in the back. I think this one will do. Yep. So the 2 screws on top is supposed to be longer than the other screws. I really hope I'm doing this right. Get back to you guys when I have the whole cover of my computer off. All right, so as you can see, my computer is off now. It is super dusty, so I cleaned it up a little bit, and this is where the memory is, and this is the new one that I'm going to put. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but supposed to be there's a lever in here that I'm supposed to unclick, and it's supposed to just come off. So there's the first one. So we just, they said just pull it out slowly. So we'll put that on the side, and then another one which is supposed to be in here. I don't know if you guys saw that, but another one. There we go. Okay, so very carefully, and that's another one. Now we're gonna take one. So this is an 8 gig, so I'm gonna put that under, which is that way. Make sure I put it properly. So then I'm supposed to just click it back in, click it back again. So now I'm gonna take the other one right here. So I'm supposed to put it in again. Like, make sure you're putting it properly. So make sure it's inserted properly. So now it's there. Now I'm supposed to click it in. And voila! cross fingers. I really hope this works, but I'm gonna put back the cover, and we're gonna turn it on and we'll see if it works. Okay, starting my computer now, but I don't know what's going on. I don't know if there's an extra step that I should do after I put in the memory card. I'm gonna Google it and see. Okay, so now it's on. Let me just put in my password. Okay, so my computer is on now. Let's see how fast my computer is. I'm actually gonna go to this first and see if it's gonna detect that I changed my memory. Oh no. Okay. It still says I have 4 gig. Why does it say that? I'm gonna completely restart my computer, okay? I'm gonna shut it down. So I'm gonna click here and shut down. And I'll be back. So I did it again. I restarted the computer again. And we'll see. So it's open. Put my password. It's still relatively slow though. Okay, so that loaded pretty quick. Now let's click this. And about this Mac. And dun dun. Yes! Now it says 16 gigabytes. So it kind of worked. So now that we have 16 gigabytes, we have to test this, how fast it's gonna load, okay? So my biggest problem before was if I have a Final Cut Pro open and I do other things, that's when it becomes super tricky. So let's see how fast it's gonna load with my Final Cut Pro open and using other things. So it's relatively loading faster than it was before. My problem is before was what happens if I open other things. So I'm gonna open Google Chrome. Oh no, I don't really use Google Chrome. I use Safari. Let's go for Safari. Okay. Close this. Let's go to photojet.com. Still slow. But it's not lagging as it was before. Let's continue editing and then let's see how fast the editing is while I'm doing other things, and maybe I'll get back to you guys later, see how I really feel about this 16 gigabyte upgrade. So I'm gonna just stay on the floor for now and edit a video. Alright, so a little update on my computer. I was using my computer earlier and then out of nowhere it just says no Wi-Fi, no hardware install whatsoever. So I had to open it back up. I tried to YouTube it, and there's this guy who said there's this like a wire. I'm gonna show you guys. It's this wire apparently is the Wi-Fi thing, and earlier I wasn't aware. The thing was so dusty. I started cleaning it up, so now I open it back up and I kind of pressed it and I hear like a click sound, so I'm guessing I touched that when I was cleaning it. And now I'm gonna try to put it back and hopefully it works, because this is like a huge disaster now if it stops working just because I changed my memory. But I'm gonna put back the cover of my computer and then we'll see. Hopefully it turns back on the Wi-Fi. So now the Wi-Fi thingy is there. I'm hoping it stays. Moral of the story is be careful what you touched in the back of your computer when you're changing stuff in there, or that YouTube everything, research everything, make sure you're not touching everything. But yeah, I panicked a little bit. I thought, I was like, oh my god, like this is it, am I gonna buy a new computer? But I didn't, so hopefully it's that. Anyways, so the Wi-Fi is back on now, and yeah. But I'm going to end the vlog here because I have nothing else to do. I'm just gonna sit around now in the house and continue editing a new video, and yeah. So I guess um I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.